It's an old EX 400. I'm going to just go ahead and say it's a -1. And my prediction with a Lynn bucket on it, being as they've been out of business for probably, well, I don't want to guess, but maybe 20 years or close to, that this could be one of the early ones. Maybe from the 87, 88, somewhere in there. Might be a little bit newer, but that'd be my guess. Nice and straight, nice and clean. Fresh paint. Little back spar chain there for a block. It's obviously been in the woods. Built the road and stuck around to help the yarder. Well, that style of guarding wasn't seen on the -1s. The guarding's actually a little bit more modern. Actually, I might change my prediction. I think the bucket came after the machine. I think judging by the guarding, this looks more like well into the 90s. Guarding styles changed. Every few years they'd come up with some new idea. Here they were still bending and welding, but shortly after they went to just actual physically tube bending.